Hey, welcome to my bathroom. I am making this quick video just to show you how to use your Timewise repair set. It's my absolute favorite skincare line. I've been using this skincare line for about 2 years. So I just washed my face with the cleanser, and this is my nighttime routine. And so after you wash your face, you pat dry. Use your cleanser, and it's just literally a pea-size amount, guys. Will do I'm telling you, for your whole face, that will do for your whole face, okay? So I've just washed my face, and I love to use some of our boosters, serums. There's several of these. We actually have 4. 2 right now, but 2 that are getting ready to come out that I'm super excited about. But I've been using the hyaluronic acid hydrator. It's winter right now, and my skin is needing a little extra hydration. So I do about 5 drops of that in the palm of my hand, and I put that on first. Any of your Clinical Solutions boosters are going to go right after you cleanse. Now, if you're just using the repair, so I really made this just for repair, but if you're just using repair after you cleanse, you do your eye cream, okay? So your eye cream, have the Zamac tip. You can apply it directly with your with the end of the tip. It's nice and cool, so if you're puffy like me, this really helps with puffiness, especially in the morning time. And if not, if you don't want to do that and you're just in a hurry, or you like applying it with your fingers, just a tiny bit. And I start in the corner where I have the most like crepiness or wrinkles, and you kind of want to pat. Get used to patting and rubbing in. Don't ever pull out on your eye area. So you want to kind of get used to patting. It's the thinnest skin on your face. Use your ring finger. It's your weakest finger, okay? So after you do your eye cream, we're going to go in with the lifting serum. It's my favorite piece to the whole puzzle. It tells you when you're about out, so about half out. And you're just going to do one squirt. And I just start on my cheeks, right in the middle of my forehead, really focusing where I need a lift, like right here through my smile and frown lines, and just rubbing up and out. I also like to take, this is why I run out of this a lot sooner than the 6 months that's supposed to last you. So I get a little bit more, and I like to rub it on my neck area. Make sure you're rubbing up against gravity. And so anything you do to your face, you should do to your neck and your chest area. Okay, so that's the second step. Then if it's daytime, you would do your daytime moisturizer. If it's nighttime, you would do your nighttime moisturizer. So you either one, you're going to use one little push down of this, okay? And it's going to come out of that. So it's going to give you exactly the amount you need for your whole face and your neck. So you're going to take that, and you are going to rub all over, up and out again. And so the gray one is for night, and that has your retinol in it, and it's going to be firm. It's going to firm, tone, tighten, help with wrinkles. It's encapsulated retinol, so it's like an extended release pill. It's going to release overnight. And then the daytime moisturizer has your SPF 30 broad spectrum, which you need every day. Just avoid your eye area. And I actually use less of the day than 1 squirt. It just takes me a little bit, and that's it. That's all you do. You're ready for primer and makeup. So hope this helped.